Hi girls, welcome back to another Business Studies department. In this video we're going to be looking at how we get to the CCEA website, and in particular the Business Studies microsite. This video is made in mind with the year 11s who are first coming into the department and may not be aware of how to get to the CCEA website and also the resources it has to offer us. So firstly, I've typed into my search bar cea.org.uk and it's brought me up this screen. I'm going to go to Key Stage 4. Then I'm going to go to General Certificate of Secondary Education, GCSE. And then I'm going to scroll down and click on Business Studies. And this will take us to our Business Studies microsite within the CCEA website. And on this site, it gives us all the information about our GCSE and the breakdown, our specification. It also gives us assessment, past papers, webinars, circulars, report, news and support. And the two I would really be focusing on having a look at is our past papers and mark schemes, which we will explore further in class, and also the support, which is in here, which has all our fact files, legacy materials, and also useful PowerPoints. Thanks very much for listening, girls. Bye.